one of these big unwrappings, people. That's nice. Bundle of spanners. And we've got Garretons. That's a Garretons. We'll have a better look at that in a minute. And some King Dicks. Oh, look at that big old eagle. Look, that's got to be a what do you call that? A podger spanner. I think that means you can put it on and whack it with a hammer, and it doesn't mind. This one is Elora Lo4. Okay, so Elora were actually founded in 1924. That makes them 97 years old, and they have released a budget range called Lo4. It sounds really interesting stuff. There must be some interesting stuff, or I wouldn't have bought it, would I? I'll put these in my collection. Got a fair collection of these. As always, I like to buy these because I bought a couple of, I can't remember what I paid for a couple of these. I think it was about £4.50 I paid, and I knocked them out for 20 quid. So I've got these because we know what they'll come up like. There's a video not far back of some of these I cleaned. Another couple of podgers. Podgers, is that the right word? Oh, I don't know. It's probably closer than what Ben gets. I think this was about £1, and I'll knock it out after painting it for £5, so nice little profit. And some more. I mean, oh, you won't believe how many of these I've got. Right, that's why there's not much interest in there. Well, that's a shitting surprise for me, because I thought there was some interesting stuff coming. Anyway, we know what we'll do with this. We'll 12 quid postage I paid on this, and £22 for everything that just come out of that box, and £12 postage, which is a bit of a shock, isn't it? So I've got some lovely glass cutters here, right, and they are lovely, the old glass cutters. Some of these come up, well, look at that, that's got a metallic in that already. That's just got a wood finish. That's red, that's metal, that's that was black. Shall we open them up and have a look? They're not actually as boring as you think, glass cutters. Quite interesting. I might do a history on them soon. So we'll go through these very quickly. We've got an Ideal. Anyone that knows their glass cutters. Oh, Paladin. That's probably a Shaw. There's a Germany. Can't quite see that, but that's not a Shaw, it's a different brand. There's a Shaw. There's another Shaw. See, already they're quite, oh no, obviously they're exactly the same, those two, but yeah, already they're different in shapes and heads and ends. Oh, there's another one that's different, because that's another Shaw, but this is a blue one, and if you look, so although they look the same, that one's got the ridges on for your thumb, that one hasn't. This one's got the ridges on, and it's got a ball on the end. Yeah, and it's a Shaw. These ain't got balls, so there's such a different combination. Oh, there's an identical. Look at that. Snap. Another Shaw. That one, is it? No. That one? No. Right, so that's another Shaw. That's one of the most common ones. Oh, that's a different one. Don't normally get this. There we go. I can't read that. You read that? Alright. Tell me what that is. Write in with the answers for that. Another Ideal one, same as this one. This is a number 2. You see, and that's a Draper. So we've got a double there and a double there, and all the rest are different. Germany, and that's got a name on. Right. Different tops. So yeah, there's a double there and a double there. In 14, there's only 2 doubles. Right, that's not too bad, is it? And then oh, I've got a new one here. Got that one. It's a Polar in the packet still. I mean, another draper. That's a better condition draper than that one, isn't it? And another Shaw, getting a different pattern there. You see that? It's another Shaw. Another Shaw. That's like that one there. Different handle. Oh, that's my best one of them. It's another Shaw. Different handle this time because it's flat. Narrower there than that one. You see that? This one's lovely. I've got to clean this up. A lovely little brass thing. You roll that across the glass like that. Lovely. That is a little hammer there for tapping it. I like that one the best. Alright then, what we'll get here? Red Devil. Spirolux, most people have probably heard of them. AVIA, Avia. Another little rolly one. Different shapes though, you notice, they're not identicals. They are different shapes. Another Shaw, no, Victrex. So, I mean, I'm not coming out many doubles here, my people. Made in Poland, this one. And another Shaw. So again, there's only, well, there's about 30 there I've come through so far. 30, possibly more. Then there's this one. This is a Lieberschnitt. And that is so heavy compared to the rest. I tell you. Look at that one. That one is pristine. Is it not? Pristine. Do like that one. And then we've got this identical twin brother here also. These are not dear to buy new. These are about 5-6 quid to buy new, these Lieberschnitts, but I mean they're not like this quality anymore. So another Lieberschnitt there. And then I've got some more, I don't know, fucking somewhere in a drawer, in a cupboard from when I moved everything. So what have I got there? About, I don't know, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's exactly 30 there, and there's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs. That's a double wheeled one. So, yeah, should really do a history on them, shouldn't I, at some point? But not now, because I'm too busy, you know. Right. So, I got 2 lots of them here, and they were, I think they were 2 quid each packet of 7, so can't moan about that, can you, really? These need to go in the protective packaging. So yeah, we'll get on to them. I mean, they're not going to take too much to clean up and stuff, are they? We'll do a little video on them in the future. Yeah, 2 quid they were. Then the Eagle spanner, the big old Eagle spanner here. Cut that off. This was 2 quid. I mean, you can't go wrong, can you, for 2 quid with that, eh? 2 quid for that. Look at that. What's that got? Nearly a 2-inch. So it's going to be an inch and 7/8, inch and 3/4. That's humongous, isn't it? That for 2 quid. Absolutely lovely buy. Right, what else we got there? 2 heavy spanners, chunkies. 2 quid. It is, isn't it? I mean, like £1 each. Car boot sale prices, isn't they? I don't even mind paying the 12 quid postage. Podgers, definitely Podgers. Right. These were £1. £1. Obviously, they're going to be another nice video come out of them, isn't there? £1 for them. They amazing. These were £1. We know what I'll do with them. Clean them, paint them black. Not 2 of them out for a tenner. The King Diggers. These were, couldn't see how big they were in the picture, but I think they were worth the price. They were 3 quid. These combination spanners, I mean, they're everything. They are. They're what we got there? I can't fucking see. Drop forge. Perhaps they're no names. I don't know. But they were 3 quid. A V13. Right. Okay. Drop forged. Right. So amazingly, they're all unbranded, but they're only £3. These are all West German ring spanners, 10 of them, for £4. I mean, here is the prices. Look, £3, £4, £1 for the vintage soldering irons, £7 for the glass cutters, £2 for the Garrington's Kestrel, and it's a Williams Super Slim. 2 for the heavy chunky, and 2 for the big old Eagle, and 2 for the other cutters. So, yep, that's the prices. Wouldn't lie to you, would I? No need. No need. Right, let's get them out of the way. And that's a short old video. Oh, I've got a couple of things coming. So, the other day I see a faithful adjustable spanner. I can't remember, honestly people, I can't remember what I paid. I'm going to guess at about 6 because that's what I think it's worth. Right. Anyway, I see another one. And it was 5. And it is here. This one cost me £5. And it turns out they're both bloody 12s. So I was going to make a set. Now I can't. But when you look at this, that bottom jaw there is different. You see that to that bottom jaw there? This is ever so slightly more chunky, so I don't know if this has been taken down or what. Anyway, that was £5 plus £4.30. Now I only paid that much because I thought, actually, that looks like the cleaner version. I've still got unique in there, where that one hasn't got unique in there. Apart from that, they're the same, aren't they? That one's a bit more damaged. So, this one, the newer one, will be the keeper, and that one will go. Alright, so that was £5 and £4.30. £9.30. Quite dear for me, do you not think? I think that was quite dear. And as I collect pipe wrenches, when I see this come up, I know they're only about £30 new, these, right? But, and I think I had one not long ago. This is a quick release pipe wrench by Record, which I think is quite unusual. Record. We don't. If you want to buy one of these now, it's made by Irwin. So, you know, you can't buy a Record one new anymore. But yeah, that's quite good on the old thingy majiggy, isn't it? Thingy majiggy. Right. Now, that's that. That's rushed through that parcel. Quite happy there. Must get all these spanners and stuff out of the way. Get the King Dicks listed. So what did I just say that cost? That cost me £30. 22 and 12. It cost me £34 for that parcel that comes. Ignore that, right? So those, all the spanners and the thingies. Fair bit of money, but I mean, I wanted that Garrington's that was in there. You never know what you're getting with West German spanners, so you know, West German spanners, you can't really knock them. They're quite good. Drop forged. Right, special steel. So I just pulled this out and it says special steel on there. Now, there's a company that doesn't put their name on it. It just says special steel. That could be the company name, and it's from West Germany. And they make spanners for. One of the spanners they made was for a 1964 Porsche. And if I can find them, because I've got them, obviously, otherwise I wouldn't be talking about them. You see how well I store my stuff. So I don't know if there was an old video where these turned up, and they were a bit manky. Alright, I'll clean these now. Let's get these out, and these will say on here, made in West Germany, and when you turn them over they'll say selected special steel. Okay, now they go in a toolkit, and every now and again those 5 spanners there sell for about £90. Alright, so that's the dear old spanners. Now what we got there is special steel, not selected special steel, special steel. So I will have to look that up, because they might have come out of a Porsche. Not that one, anyway. Selected special steel. So that is the same as the Porsche one. Alright. I've got an Elora an Lo4 number 111. Another Lo4 111. And an Elora number 108. Alright, what we got here? A Matador number 240. Always worth more money when they've got a number on them. Herma selected steel. So I reckon, because if we look at this, yeah, well, the design where that shoots off there with the ridge, very similar to that. Selected steel, special steel, selected special steel. Could all be Hermas. That's a number 6. I've either got 3 of them Matadors or I picked it up 3 times. Another selected special steel. So, yeah, Porsche toolkit special steel. So people sell them because they ain't got no name on, and they're actually bloody dear. Or, you know, they come out of a bloody dear car anyway. So we get rid of them 18 spanners, because they're a load of shit. You never know what you get, do you? It's like these. What was these? 3 quid or 4 quid? I can't remember now. 3 quid or 4 quid for the, and I could possibly have 4 Porsche spanners in there. So it's all a gamble, isn't it? All a gamble. Oh, there's another. I just come across another one of them. I'll try that in a bottle. So yeah, that's that for today. Don't know what you make of that, really. I mean, I make of that as I have to clean them Porsche spanners up. Clean me old faithful one up a bit and get rid of that on eBay again, so that I've just got one keeper. Clean these King Dicks up, because King Dicks always sell well, and I like these big old podgy spanners, so they're keepers for that price. These will become a video in the future, and they'll get cut black paint. Alright, okay, I've got to go on to something really important now. For you lot, another video, but I've been waiting to do this one for a long while. Well, no, I'm not been waiting for, that's a lie. I'm not been waiting for a long while, because it's not very long. Since I see it. Alright, that's enough wobbling. Bye for now.